In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the WordPress logo, which is usually located in the top left corner of your WordPress dashboard, right here. And for the purpose of this example, we'll be using this plugin. It's called Remove Admin Bar Logo. It's very lightweight and simple, but it does the job. So first things first, let's log into WordPress admin account and then hover on plugins, then click on add new plugin. And then search, type the following: Remove Admin Bar Logo. There's the plugin. Go ahead and install it. Once it's done, once again, go back to plugins, and then it should be right here. And the moment you activate it, you will notice the WordPress logo will disappear. So let's go ahead and click activate. And as you can see, the WordPress logo has been removed and the WordPress dashboard has a bit cleaner look to it. And this change will not only be reflected in the admin account, but any other account on your WordPress site. As an example, let me log out from my current admin account and log into my other one. Yeah, as you can see, the WordPress logo also is not visible right here. So that's it for this video. Hope you found this tip helpful. For more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.